Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Today we are from Group 6 gonna present about the concurrent model. And this is our group members. First is Muhammad Zairi Amni. Next is Wan Aki Amshah, Muhammad Shauki, Muhammad Khuzaimi, and lastly me, Muhammad Shabil. So next is a definition of the concurrent model. Concurrent model is a software development approach where multiple phases like design, coding, testing occur simultaneously. So what are the key features in the concurrent model? Firstly, we have a parallel workflow, which is the design phase, development phase, testing phase, and other several phases is run concurrently or simultaneously. Next is real-time communication, where the team members working on different tasks can communicate and share updates instantly, which is it can reducing the misunderstanding. Next is we have flexibility. The stakeholder can incorporate new changes and improvement easily since one phase operate in tangent to another. And next we have iterative development, which is the model also suitable for iterative activities, which input and testing are received continually and prototypes are revised. And lastly, we have a reduced time to market, which is the work is divided between the task and stage, making the project faster since many tasks are done concurrently.
I'm Muhammad Ziramni. Gonna introduce you about waterfall, and we're gonna compare in waterfall model and concurrent model in different aspects, which is the first one, process flow. Waterfall is a linear and sequential phases. Each phase must finish before the next begins. While the concurrent models, activities occur in parallel. Different tasks can overlap and progress simultaneously. Other than that, we see aspect from flexibility. Waterfall model is rigid because difficult to accommodate changes once a phase is completed, while the concurrent model is flexible, allows revisiting and overlapping activities when requirements evolve. The third one, risk handling. Waterfall risk often discovered late during the testing, while the concurrent risk can be identified earlier since multiple activities run concurrently. And the last one, the best use case for waterfall model is in the large distribute projects with a stable, well-defined requirements, and the concurrent model projects with uncertain or evolving requirements.
Next, I will be talking about Agile. Okay, so Agile use an iterative and adaptive approach, which means the process is flexible and allows continuous improvement throughout the process. So the phrase Agile focus on continuous delivery in short cycle, also called sprints or release, where working software is delivered frequently to the customer. So in terms of flexibility, Agile is very high. So the team can still adapt and make changes even late in the development process. And some of the Agile main strengths are that it adapts easily to the change, provide high customer satisfaction, allows faster time to market, and support continuous improvement with every iteration. However, Agile also have some drawbacks. It can be harder to estimate the cost and needs cultural changes. So overall, Agile is a modern and flexible approach that helps teams deliver quality software quickly while staying responsive to the customer needs.
The concurrent model offers four major benefits. First, faster development and time to market. Multiple activities progress simultaneously, which can cut project duration significantly, sometimes reducing a 12-month project to just 6 to 8 months. Second, better resource utilization. Team works in parallel without waiting, while developers code, QA test completed modules, and designers work on upcoming features simultaneously. Third, realistic representation. It accurately models how modern development really works, with multiple activities happening at once. And last, enhanced state visibility. Managers can see exactly what state each component is in at any moment.
The concurrent model is powerful, but it also has several limitations. First, it can be very difficult to manage and coordinate when many activities happen at the same time. It also requires strong communication between team members to avoid mistake or misunderstanding. Another issue is tracking progress. Since tasks are overlapping, it's hard to know exactly which stage each activity is in. These overlaps can also lead to conflict or confusion, especially if one part of the system changes while another is still being developed. Lastly, this model is not suitable for the small or simple projects where sequential methods like the waterfall model might be easier to manage. I think that's all from our group. Thank you.